If you've lived in the United States, you're probably familiar with Walmart, which means you already have a great foundation for what it takes to be successful with this retailer. On this journey together, we'll build on the things you already know as a shopper and practitioner, putting you in the driver's seat of your brand's or client's success on Walmart.com. Whether you work with Walmart day to day or are seeking perspective on this retailer, this course is for you. You are the leaders and future leaders of your organization in this digital era, and we at Illume Group are privileged and honored to be with you on this learning journey. This course will help you do the following. Build on what you know about Walmart.com as an organization, who they are and what are their priorities. Apply the e-commerce success framework that is covered in our intro course along with marketplace fundamentals, and apply those concepts to Walmart.com. You can use this framework to help identify the biggest opportunities for your business and start building your strategies and tactics to take advantage of these opportunities and effectively advocate for them within your organization. This course is led by Devin Minsk, a VP of Marketing with an extensive background in all things e-commerce. You'll also hear from Pam Gake, the VP of Walmart of the Market Performance Group, a consulting and sales management services company that specializes in helping manufacturers and retailers to find a better path forward to accelerate growth and profitability. Pam will share some expert knowledge and perspective on Walmart and Walmart.com. Let's get learning.